Hey girl, welcome back. I'm Jasmine if you're new here. Today we're doing a Sephora savings event haul. I'm beyond excited. Thank you Sephora for sponsoring this video. Y'all know I love a Sephora haul. Y'all know I love shopping at Sephora. Sephora is my second home, okay? Like, I'm a Sephora girly through and through. So I'm excited to share with you guys what I picked up. Also, if you're not yet part of the Sephora Beauty Insider program, I will have a link in my description box so you can sign up so you can take advantage of the Sephora Savings event. The Sephora Savings event did start on November 1st for Rouge members. It continues into November 11th. For VIPs and insiders, it does start on November 5th and does continue through November 11th. And Sephora collection is 30% off during the Sephora Savings event. Okay, don't sleep on Sephora collection. Okay, they have some gems. Personally, I absolutely love the Sephora collection lip liners as well as their lip glosses and their lipsticks. By the way, everything that I mentioned in this video is going to be linked and listed down below in my description box, so just click the link to shop whatever product you're interested in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, by the way, use the code SAVINGS to shop the savings event. You guys, I got a Forever Mood perfume. Okay, so I have a full size of I Am Her, and I've wanted the full size of Hard to Get ever since this launched. I initially got the travel slash trial size of each of the perfumes, and this was my #1 pick at the time, but it was sold out. I never was able to pick it up, and they recently came back in stock, and immediately I had it in my Sephora cart. I knew I was going to pick it up during this savings event, and I surely did. Okay, this is a beautiful perfume. I have smelled it, obviously. I have used it because I do have the mini tiny bottle of it, so I have been using it over the past maybe like 3 months, ever since when did these launch? I completely forget, but hold on, let me just open this. It's kind of like loud and annoying, so let me just open this real quick. This is the bottle of Hard to Get, and this is such a beautiful scent. I love the detail on these boxes, you guys. They all have like a little quote on the inside. This one says, "In touch but out of reach." I love it. Self-care isn't selfish. And it says, "Made for the one who's hard to get but easy to love." We love it. Even though I have the little bottle, it's something about the full size and spraying that full spray. It's a different experience. So let me just take a little. This smells so good. This smells so, I'm wearing this today. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I would say it's kind of like almost like a citrusy vanilla. It's so pretty. I absolutely love this. I am gonna go through this. Honestly, I should get backup because I already know this is one of those perfumes I'm gonna be reaching for all the time. It's hard to get, but I got her. My next pickup is a repurchase. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Blondie. This has been my go-to setting powder for a little bit now. I've tried pretty much every shade in this powder that I thought would be the best for me, and Blondie is just my favorite. I've been going ham. Okay, I've literally been using it up, so I wanted to get a second container of it because I already know I'm gonna go through that powder. I just love the shade, and I've said this before, I think in my Sephora recommendations video for this event, that this powder is by far my favorite. I just love how fine the particles are. I feel like it just gives the most flawless finish, and it's kind of like foolproof to me. I feel like other powders, sometimes I'm not sure like how it's gonna turn out, but this one every single time slays. I don't have to worry about anything. Next, I got a Sephora collection liquid cream lip stain. Cream lip stain, not liquid. This one is in the shade, let's see, Spicy Terracotta 131. It's a liquid lipstick. I love this color. I love these types of shades. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm gonna open it up. I do have a couple other shades from this collection, and I absolutely love the formula. I feel like it gives a lot of pigment and they last really long. They're also very comfortable on my lips. A lot of times liquid lipsticks can be way too drying for me. These I don't have that issue with. I think they are perfect. I need to open this up though. Hold on. So this is the color. Let's do a little swatch. So pretty. Do you see that pigment? I cannot wait to wear this during the holiday season. And with Sephora collection, you get amazing quality with amazing price points, okay? So we love that. Next up, I did pick up a new mascara. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Exagger Eyes Volume Mascara. It has 28-hour exaggerated fast volume and curl effect. The bigger, the better, darling. That's what she said. Lashes are very important to me. I take lashes very seriously. I gave lash extensions a break. I haven't had them in for months at this point, and so now I am on the hunt for the perfect mascara. I've been playing around with different colors like brown and green, but I'm also trying to find a really nice dark black mascara, and I want to try this one. So I picked it up. It says smudge proof, flake proof, sweat proof, clump proof. Sounds amazing. So let's see what the actual container looks like. I haven't seen the container. Ooh, I like this. This is cute. This is the container of the mascara. Let's see the wand. I love a certain type of wand, so let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, I like this. This is the type of wand that's gonna be able to get really nice and close and really give you a lot of product. Like, it's a thick, chunky wand, but not too chunky where it's gonna smudge everywhere. I love this one. We will definitely be using this tomorrow. I do love the other Charlotte Tilbury mascara, but again, I wanted to try this one. It's new, so I wanted to see what the what the tea was. I did also pick up a backup of the Better Than Sex chocolate mascara from Too Faced. I have been using this for my bottom lashes, and recently I actually used it on my top lashes as well. I shared this with you guys in a vlog. I love the way that looked. I was definitely surprised. I was not expecting to love brown mascara on my top and bottom lashes, but I think it looked really good, and it definitely helped bring out my eye color, brown eyes, brown mascara. It created this brown eye sandwich is what I like to call it. So gotta restock of this. This is the container, and this is the wand of this mascara. This style of wand is definitely one of my favorites. The new Charlotte Tilbury is similar to this, but it's like a little curved, but very similar to this. I love this type of a wand. Next, I picked up this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Corrupt. I have tried these in many shades, but I don't think I've ever picked up Corrupt. I don't think I have picked up Corrupt ever. So like I said, with the brown mascara, I was looking to create some sort of like a brown eye sandwich, and I felt like maybe I needed to add in a dark brown eyeliner. It has a little bit of like a shimmer to it, not too much, but just a little. It's like a sheen. It's not like a matte black, but it's also not super glittery. I'll show you guys. Maybe you can see here. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera, but it's like a little bit of a sheen and not matte at all. So I thought that would kind of help create the look that I'm going for with the brown mascara and the brown liner. I felt like maybe this can give kind of like a really sultry eye look and just something different, something that I've never done before. I've never done a brown mascara on both top and bottom lashes with a brown liner, so I thought maybe I can create something different, something unique. Like, I like playing around with makeup in fun ways, and I feel like the older I get, like I'm in my 30s, when I was younger it would be playing around with colors and those sorts of things, but now that I'm older and I like to keep it more on the neutral side when it comes to makeup, like everyday makeup, playing around with browns is something that I feel like I can do and have fun with and still have a natural look, if that makes sense. So I'm definitely going to be experimenting with this. I'll do like maybe a video where I show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, stay tuned. Next up, I got this lip oil or lip glaze. It is called a glazed lip oil in mystery glaze from the brand In Beauty Project. So I've seen this online. I want to say it was Crystal using this, and it looks so glossy, so juicy. And if y'all know me, I'm always talking about a glossy, juicy lip gloss. That's my thing. So I saw this on her lips and it looks really juicy, and she said it was this brand, so I definitely picked it up. This is in the shade Mystery Glaze, and I think this one is kind of like one of those that changes color with your lips, maybe? I'm not sure. It says mystery, so I don't know if it's like just the mystery or if it changes. Let's see if it says on the box. A juicy glossy lip oil that conditions the lips, leaving them soft and plump. Clear shade, enhances all lip colors, bringing out their natural rosy glow. Naturally sweetened and flavored. Can you guess what the mystery flavor is? Okay, so we don't know what the mystery flavor is, but I have lip gloss on right now, so I can't really show you guys. Well, lip I have the Fenty liquid. I think it's like a pink shade, to be honest. I think it's gonna turn into like a pink color. You can see it's very juicy, very shiny. I love that. I did also notice that these came in a set of 4. This shade was not included in that set. They did include a different clear shade and then 3 other shades. I am thinking of purchasing that as well because, as you probably know, I'm not done shopping. I did get another repurchase. This is the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Wardrobe Setting Spray. Setting spray is a step that I tend to skip. I don't always reach for a setting spray, but when I need one, I have certain ones that I will go to, and this is definitely one of them. This was the first setting spray that I had gone through in a while. Besides the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, that one's amazing. I definitely went through that and finished it completely, have a second bottle of it. This one, I went through one whole bottle and I'm halfway through my next bottle, probably even more than halfway, because I just think it actually works. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It works. And when I feel like I need my makeup to last forever and ever, I reach for this. Until Dawn, yes it is. So I had to get a repurchase of this. Last time my bottle finished, they were actually sold out and I was like, what? I ended up getting a little mini version of it, but that just told me I need to have a full size in backup at all times. Also for the lips, I picked up the Laneige Divine Lip Duo. This is the holiday inspired collection, and this one comes with the lip sleeping mask as well as the lip glowy balm in the candy cane and peppermint scents. I didn't realize this was called candy cane. I thought they were both peppermint. I'm excited to see what candy cane smells like. I love these lip products from Laneige. I definitely use them all the time. The lip mask is my nighttime favorite. And then it comes with samples as well. So it comes with these 2 samples. This is the Cream Skin Toner. I love this toner. I use it all the time. Whenever I am doing my weekly shave, I tend to use this toner. And then other times I do use it as well. And then this is the Water Bank, which is also really nice. I have used this in the past and I think it's a really good moisturizer. This is candy cane. I'm very curious to see how this smells. It literally smells like a candy cane. That is crazy. It literally smells like candy cane. Wow. Oh, this one's like a clear. So this is what it looks like. This is the other color right here, the other lip oil. You can see it turned into like a pink shade. So I was right. I kind of felt like it was going to be pink. This smells really good. I was thinking they both had a peppermint smell, but I'm even more excited that this has a candy cane smell because I love candy canes. If it's one thing I'll do is eat a candy cane during the Christmas season. Ooh, this smells good. It's definitely like more peppermint. It's like a similar scent, I think. Let's like kind of dig into there a little. I feel like the scent is very similar, but this one definitely gives more candy cane. This one's more peppermint, if that makes sense. So very similar scent, but I think they're like slightly different. It could also be the formula. Maybe since the formula is different, the scent is a little different. Yeah. These smell really good and they definitely put me in the holiday spirit. Yeah. I love it. Next up, I did get the Tower 28 Get Set Blur and Set Pressed Powder. So I have been using this powder in the deeper shade. I forget the exact name of it, but this is in the shade Balboa Banana, and I wanted to try this for a set in my under eye area. I love the deeper shade and I use it all the time for the rest of my face, like around my jawline mostly and a little on my forehead. But I've been meaning to try this one as well. So it was one of the first things that I had in my cart during this savings event because I wanted to try it. And basically this gives a really nice blurring effect. Right now I am using the Too Faced setting powder under my eye and I love that powder as well. I shared that powder with you guys in my recommendations video, but I did mention I would probably be picking this one up as well, and so I got it. Let's show you guys what it looks like. This is the powder. It's a banana tone powder and I think it would probably look really good under my eyes, so I cannot wait to try it. I will definitely be using this tomorrow if I do my makeup. I had to get this. I saw this was new at Fenty, and this is the Gloss Bomb Swirl. So it's a combination of, I believe, Fussy and the sparkly, what is that other shade called? I forget. Fussy, it's called Fussy Flex. It's Fuchsia Flex and Fussy, I believe. So it's called Fussy Flex, and basically it's a combination of these two glosses, which are, I think, probably the most popular shades besides like hot chocolate. I had to get this. I have just about every gloss bomb shade out there, so this definitely had to be in my possession. That's what it looks like. I like this. Ooh, she's pretty. I love this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. You need to get this. Like, you literally need this. This would be a really nice present as well. Speaking of presents, I did pick up a little present for somebody. Hopefully they're not watching this video. But I did get a 𝘽𝙪𝙨 Vanilla 28. I love this scent. One of my favorite 𝘽𝙪𝙨 scents. It's a beautiful vanilla. So luxurious. So I wanted to get a little present. It has notes of vanilla orchid, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. It smells delicious. I like doing holiday baskets for certain people, so I pick out different things that I think they would like and put it in a little basket or a big basket, whichever. So I thought this would be perfect for that. And then I got this Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat Micro Precision Brow Pencil. During my recommendations video, I was telling you guys this is one of my favorite brow pencils, so I definitely wanted to get another one. This one is in the shade Natural Black, and I couldn't remember if I had gotten Natural Black in the past or if I had gotten the darker shade, but I went with Natural Black this time around. I love this pencil. I love the wand on it. Not wand. I love the point on here. I just feel like certain pencils, they don't stay sharp once you use them the first time. This is definitely not one of those. I feel like it stays relatively sharp, and I'm able to get the same results no matter how much of it I use. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's kind of like a mini, it's like a mini triangle almost. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but I really like this one. All right, girl, that is my Sephora Savings event haul. I'm gonna have everything that I talked about listed in the description box down below, so definitely go check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.